how to adjust the size of such belts which have the buckle that is fixed to the belts, like this or like this one, which again has the buckle which is fixed to the belt with the help of the screws. For such belts, you just got to get the belt punched over here, like this, just to get it adjustable according to your waist. Now one more thing I would like to bring to your notice is, in case if you get it punched over the belt once or twice, it will not make a difference, just because the belt in this type of buckles will not come over the buckle. It will go just behind the buckle, so it doesn't make any difference that you have got the belt punched once or twice. It will not make any difference.